Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to install the AllTrails app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in AllTrails. Then tap search on your keyboard. You will see AllTrails appear at the top of the result with a green leaf logo. Next, tap the Get button next to AllTrails. You might need to use a Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password to confirm. The app will start downloading to your iPhone. Once the download is finished, tap open or find the Trails icon on your home screen and tap it. The app will launch and ready to start exploring trails. Now you can create a free account or log in if you already have one. It's let you save trials, track hikes and see trail reviews from other users. And that's it. You have successfully installed AllTrails on your iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.